Beneath the calm surface in Papua New Guinea, a sunken volcano releases pure CO2 bubbles, acidifying the seawater at a pH level expected for the end of this century.
Climate change is having major effects on coral reef ecosystems around the world. There's two main factors that are causing these impacts. One is the increase in temperature, and the other is the increasing acidity of the ocean, as some of the carbon dioxide that's in the atmosphere dissolves into the ocean.
This is the research team's second expedition to this site.
If you put a coral that spent all its life at normal pH and you put it at low pH, after 4 months you can see if it changes protein production, metabolic rates, even genetically.
The corals survived, all of them. For Riccardo, this is a message of hope for the future. This surprising result will have to be further confirmed. It implies that corals have the ability to acclimate to ocean acidification in less than 4 months. Beyond the urgent topic of climate change, their work could be lifting a corner of the veil on the very mechanisms of evolution. For the next 10 days, the team will continue to explore how ocean acidification affects the coral reef ecosystem.
We're doing this by measuring how competition between coral colonies changes at sites where the ocean is more acidic compared to sites where conditions are normal.
Je suis là pour travailler sur le métabolisme des coraux directement sous l'eau en conditions naturelles. Le but, c'est d'essayer de voir si les coraux sont affectés dans leur métabolisme par rapport aux conditions acides du milieu, et ensuite d'essayer de comparer les espèces entre elles pour voir lesquelles seraient les plus résistantes à l'acidification.
Je suis ici notamment pour prêter main forte sur l'ensemble des expériences qui sont en cours.
Je cherche à savoir si l'acidification va modifier la nutrition des coraux, leur acquisition d'énergie. On va incuber ces coraux avec de l'eau qui est chargée en plancton et on va voir si leur consommation de plancton est différente entre le site acide et le site contrôle.
I'm here to understand if ocean acidification will affect the fish communities associated to coral reef.
I am looking at predation of corals by butterfly fish under ocean acidification.
I'm measuring the pH here in the vents.
Je mesure différents paramètres physiologiques qui pourraient expliquer la résistance de certaines espèces ou de certains individus à l'acidification des océans.
What does this mean for the millions of people who depend on coral reef ecosystems for their daily lives? How will all of us adapt to the rising seas and other effects of climate change around the world? Beyond acidification, the ocean faces many threats. Climate change, overfishing, and pollutions act in synergy to devastate marine life. It seems the corals of Papua New Guinea can change in one lifetime to avoid catastrophe. Can we,